Hey everyone, it's Mr. D. I'm here at Delilah Cream HQ and I thought I would share with you a little known fact about curly hair and the reason why Delilah Creams are so special, unique and beautiful for your curls. Hydration and moisture are the two most important things for a successful and beautiful curl. And inside every jar of Delilah Cream is a magical way we help things along. First, we make a hydrating gel, which we then turn into a cream. Sounds confusing, but inside of that hydrating gel is a special ingredient that helps to repair any irregularities in the health of your curl to get it to hold hydration and moisture properly. This leads to a more beautiful, natural looking curl. And this is just another reason why you should head to our online store via the link in our bio and grab yourself a jar of fabulous Delilah Cream.